How is it going, everyone? It's Rob from Paragon, and today we're going through the functions, features, and controls of the app for the Paragon Performance and Lowglow Underglow kit for the C8 Corvette. Let's get into it. All right, so to get started controlling your RGB Underglow kit, you will obviously need the app. We are going to be looking for the Magic LED app that can be found on some of the various boxes you install on the vehicle, as well as the instructions that Lowglow provides with this kit. So once you have that app downloaded, we will go ahead and open it up. And as you can see, if you have your Bluetooth on, it will show you all of your devices. We're going to scroll down until we see SP105E. That is the one we have most commonly found to be the Underglow kit. You'll see it says 2 services. We will go ahead and click that. It connects and brings us into this screen. As you can see, pretty basic, maybe half a dozen different controls and buttons to press from. At the top, obviously, you'll see where it says Mode 1 up here. If we tap that, we can control and cycle through all of the different modes. Now, like we have said, there is over 200 modes that this kit can do. So obviously we're still playing around trying to figure out all the different numbers for the different modes and colors and things like that you can do with it, but just a lot of cool patterns and stuff that this thing does. It's really cool, and with 200 options to choose from, it's pretty hard to run out of ways to enjoy this Underglow kit. But if you can't quite pick out a mode you like best, you can always set it to auto, and that is going to go ahead and cycle through all 200 modes on your Underglow kit. So it gives you kind of a wide variety of everything with that auto section, and you can of course cycle through and change it with these arrows. As you can see, as we tap it and go up and down, it'll take us through. Then if we hit that circle in the middle with the arrows, that is going to, of course, put it into the auto mode for us, where it cycles through all those modes. Down underneath that, we can see there is a color wheel. That is pretty cool, allows you full RGB customization for whatever color you'd like. You can dial it in. We can get maybe something kind of close to a Hysteria purple color, bluish. Yeah, something like that. So lots of customization with the colors there, but if you would just like the basic primary colors, you can find those here on those swatches. You have red, green, blue, white, and a sort of yellowish white. So some kind of quick access colors there, perfect for if you have a red, green, blue, or white car. And lastly, down underneath those swatches, we have 2 kind of dials or sliders for speed and brightness. Those are going to do exactly what they sound like. So when we do have it in a mode that we like, let's do mode 1, we can go ahead and tap on the speed, put it in the middle, and as you can see, the car lights slow down dramatically. We can go all the way down, which is going to give us super slow, or we can once again bring it all the way up to the top, where it's going to look like we're in Mario Kart running the Rainbow Road course. So you can adjust that speed to however you like it for all 200 different modes, as well as solid colors. And same goes with brightness. If we tap the brightness down, as you can see, it kind of dims those lights. And there, when we're all the way down, you can barely see them still. So pretty cool to be able to adjust the brightness. So if you're taking photos or you just wanted a little less attention grabbing, that brightness is going to be your best friend. And lastly, if you would like to turn your lights on or off via the app, you can do so at the top right with that little toggle switch. You'll see it's green right now, but if we turn it to the silver or off position, the lights are no longer on. So that allows you to toggle on the lights for the Underglow kit, but that does not disconnect it and stop the draw from the battery with that. So in order to do that, to fully turn them off from drawing power on the battery, you will need to hit that little kind of kill switch that comes with the kit that's wired in. But for just being able to quickly turn them on and off at car shows or whatever you might need, that little toggle up there is going to do exactly that. But Overall, that is a quick look at the app. Pretty simple, pretty basic, easy to control, and obviously lots and lots of customization. Perfect for making your C8 Corvette unique. So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to let us know in the comments down below. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon Performance, and I'll see you guys in the next video.